Hello everyone, this is Eric Hamilton, the Internet Guru, and today we are going to cover HTML links. Everybody's clicked on a website link, but what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what happens behind the scenes as far as the HTML is concerned for a link. So this first demonstration here that I'm going to show you is an internal link. We're simply linking to a page on our website, which we just simply call lastpage.html. We start off by using the anchor command. That ahref is our anchor command, and then of course the lastpage.html. We click on the link and it of course takes us to that page. At the bottom here is the syntax for linking to an external site. We're just linking to yahoo.com. You'll see the href, the anchor command, and it's going to www.yahoo.com. And when we click on it, it takes us to Yahoo. We could easily change this to a different website such as eBay. Change this to ebay.com, and of course when we click on it, it will simply take us to ebay.com if we click on that. Next thing that I want to demonstrate for you all is how to structure a website so when you click on a link, it opens up in a new window. You have your anchor command and up to the top. And of course we're going to open it up in a new window with the anchor command, and we have something called target equals underscore blank. The underscore blank simply allows us to again open up a new window when we click on that link. Of course my system isn't set up to launch a new window, but trust me, it works if you were to try that in the standard text editor with your standard web browser. Next we're going to show you how to set up a clickable image. If you want to click on an image as a link, what you simply do is we have our image here with border 0 and the source being this GIF here, and we just simply wrap our anchor tag around that like we would text. We click on it and it simply takes us to that page. Next we're going to show you how to link to a location on the same page. Say for instance if you're on the website and we've all been on the websites before where you click on a link, it doesn't take you to a different page, but it takes you maybe halfway down the page to some text on some content on the page. So we can demonstrate that here. So we have down here is the C4 a name, where we define where this link is going to take us. At the top we have the C4 by the anchor command, and you notice that when we click on it, it automatically takes us down to chapter 4 because we defined it here, the C4 here with our anchor tag, and then of course down here at the bottom we were defining the location where it takes us. But what we're going to do also, we're going to create a new location, a link to a location. We're going to create one for chapter 14. So what I simply did was I copied our chapter 4, and then I create a C14 location at the top, but then down in the bottom of course I'm going to define it. I'm going to copy our C4, a name equals C4, and then I'm going to paste it down here by chapter 14 and change that C4 to a C14. So I have it defined at the bottom, I have it designated at the top. So if I scroll up to the top and the bottom, I'm making sure everything matches up okay. And once I do a refresh, you'll see that I have the chapter 14 there. And if I click on chapter 4, of course it takes me to chapter 4. But if I click on chapter 14, it takes me all the way down to chapter 14 because I've defined that in both places and it's available. We've all actually clicked on links that allow us to email. I'm going to demonstrate here a mail link, and we have the same anchor href tag, but we simply have the mail to designation in that anchor, which allows us to I've highlighted the mail to, and then I've designated the email that I want to email once people click on that link. So this link will simply launch the mail tool, and that's about it. So I thank you for having the opportunity to demonstrate HTML links. You have a great day. Bye bye now.